In 2.6, starting on page 88, we start graphing inequalities. The biggest thing you need to know here is if it has this or this, it is going to be a solid line. And if you have this or this, it is going to be a dotted line. So we're just going to graph like normal, except we will use some shading. Colored pencils help with this. Remember, you don't have to shade it so heavy, just so you know to see. In example 1, they say, hey, let's use the x and y intercepts to graph this. I am a point slope kind of person. So, slope intercept kind of person. So I'm just going to solve this for y instead of using the x and y intercepts. And remember, when I divide or multiply by a negative in an inequality, it flips the inequality symbol. Do not forget that. So because I had to divide by -1, it just changes all the signs. So now I'm going to graph this. And because there is an equal sign on it, underneath the now less than sign, it is going to be a solid line. So my M is 1 and my B is 0, 2. So my first point is go up 2, and my slope is up 1 over 1. And I'm going to draw a line through that, and it's a solid line. That's not what I want. Let's try that again. And shading. This says less than. So let's think of this line as a hill. Okay? If I'm walking up this hill, less than is going to be under my feet. Okay? So if I'm walking on this hill, less than is under my feet. So any point that, it likes to do that. Sorry, let's try this. Any point that is under that, including the line, because it is solid, would be an answer. Okay? So it could be an answer. So if I'm asking about this point, yes, that's an answer. If I'm asking about this, yes, that's an answer. Like that is included in this group. If I'm asking about this point, yes, because it's on the line. If that was a dotted line, it would not be an answer. Look at example 2. I'm not going to graph all of these with you, but look at example 2. They gave it to you in the little funny braces and all that, okay? So just look at that last part. 3x minus 4y is less than -8. All right, so you're going to solve that for y. It does it for you. Your slope is 3/4. Your y-intercept is 0, 2. Okay, and because it has a greater than symbol, because remember it has the flip because it divided by -4. Because it has a greater than symbol, it is a dotted line. And then you shade above it because I'm walking up the hill, and because it's a greater than symbol, it's all up here. Okay? Anything on the line is not included in the set of answers. So if I had a point here, yes. If I had a point here, yes, that would be on. What if I had a point there? No, because a dotted line means up until you hit that line. So like right there, yes, would be an answer. But when it hits that line, it is no longer an answer. For example 3, it is any absolute value. So if you don't know, I don't think that you've gotten to really graphing absolute values. You may want to find that if it from Algebra 1 and kind of go over that. But it ended up like this. And in here are my answers, not the line. So anything there or there or there, but here, no, not an answer. So that is 2.6.